So Python program to read any character and check whether the entered character is in lowercase or uppercase or a digit or a special character. So as we know, to read any character we have inbuilt function input. Ch is the variable. Look at the if condition. We used if elif here. If ch dot. So we have inbuilt function to check for digit is digit. For lowercase characters is lower. For uppercase is upper. So look at the first if ch dot is digit. If it is true, then the entered character is a digit. Elif, if not, we have another condition, is lower, verifies for the entered character lowercase or not. If this is true, you get lowercase character. And again checking for upper, is upper. If the condition is true, uppercase character. If not, all these things. If not digit, if not lowercase alphabet, if not uppercase alphabet, then it must be a special character. So if your input is capital A, you get output as uppercase character. If the input is dollar symbol, then you get a special character. In Python, we need to follow proper indentation to work with any particular program, as we don't have any braces for the beginning of the block or ending of the block, unlike in C, C++ and Java. So look at this statement clearly. So the print statement is not in proper indentation format. So I'll run the program. So you get syntax error, expected an indented block. And similarly, if you make any mistake in elif or if else somewhere, we'll see what happens. So look at this. There's something wrong in elif. So you get invalid syntax. Look at this. If you remove the colon after else, then also you get the same error, invalid syntax.